why is this here? So why is there a note on it? What if Tom Parker came up here, bro? And went to sit in this thing, dude. You wouldn't be laughing then.
I probably still would be laughing.
Who put this here?
Maybe I was live.
You still haven't answered my question.
We put it over there because I forgot to throw. Like I wasn't gonna walk that all the way downstairs.
When did it break?
The other day I was like leaning on it and I was like, yeah, I can't sit in this anymore. So I put it over there.
It didn't snap?
No.
I was the first
You
one to
just
bring it to that
snapped
point.
it. You just.
Wait, can we get like some house music or something going?
It did, it snapped right off. The metal is...
Did you break the printer?
You have to have.
Happy.
Yeah, dude.
This is from Boyce and Colton.
Years.